We are going to do some very simple stretches so that you can start to relax your body, release the whole day that you had, and calm down enough to lay in bed and get ready to sleep. Welcome back, fam. We're going to go ahead and start with the left hamstring stretch. So bringing the right foot in towards your left inner thigh and allowing the weight of your body to round over your left leg. Curling yourself back up nice and slowly. We'll bend the left knee in front of you, so cross-legged with the left in front, and then twisting over to the right side and rounding down. If you'd like to increase the stretch, bringing that left arm up to gently press on the inside of the left knee, taking some deep breaths and feeling that stretch in your hip. Rounding yourself back up from this place, curling yourself back and then switching sides. Bringing the right leg in front of you this time and then rounding over that leg. Bringing the forehead in down towards the knee as if there's a magnet from your knee to your forehead. And slowly curling back up and crossing that leg over to bring the right leg in the front. Twisting the spine, curling down towards the left knee, and for an extra challenge, bringing the right hand up to press against the inside of that right knee. Relaxing, breathing, and melting. Slowly curling yourself back up once again. This time we'll bring that right foot all the way to your hip. So bending at the knee, we're opening up the quad in here. And if you'd like to boost yourself up with pillows, feel free to do that. Or if you want a deeper stretch, you can remove the pillows and lay flat. And then switching sides, scooping that left foot towards your hip and bringing that knee bent to open the quad. Energetically, the quad is the line of the stomach, so we can actually release worry and stress by stretching the quads just like this. Nice deep breaths, relaxing the belly. And then coming up, we'll bring the feet together for butterfly pose and rounding over, dropping your head and neck towards your feet. You're just rounding over as much as feels good and natural. And then we'll come up to open the shoulders. Crossing the left arm underneath the right, we'll go ahead and Gently lift the arms up and then pulling them back down on the exhale, opening the rhomboids behind the scapula. Nice stretch in the upper back. Go ahead and switch arms this time. Right arm underneath left. Slowly bring the arms apart, and we're going to go ahead and lay down and bring ankle across the right knee. This is a figure 4 stretch, really good for opening the hip. If you'd like to add a little bonus, you can give yourself some ankle rotations by grabbing onto that left foot, and see how deep you can stretch the hip here. And then crossing that left knee over across the body, we'll come to a spinal twist. You might get cracks in here. And slowly come out of that for switch. Right ankle on top of left knee and squeeze it into chest with an option of giving yourself ankle rotations by grabbing onto that right foot. Breathing into that hip, into the muscle tissue, releasing and relaxing, and twisting that right knee over across the body. Nice spinal twist and stretch. Releasing any stress that you've held on to, clearing your mind through your body. And then gracefully bringing your knees up towards your armpits for a happy baby, clasping on to the outsides of your feet, and then pulling your knees inward. So whether your knees touch the bed or not, it doesn't matter. Just feel the stretch along your spine. Thank you guys so much. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet already. And feel free in your bodies, my friends. Good night.